Early morning is it. Start again, pon it again. Yeah, me and Lenky again. Randy them so checking, but we have a kick off the work early. See it a peeps. Yesterday we test over the other side over there, so we find some lovely bag.
That's a nice one there.
So right you know. Yes, Lenky.
Yes, a bag, nice. You time yes, that.
So we are doing?
So nice one. Now this you know, daddy.
Alright, sir. Alright, so Lenky, yeah.
No bad.
See the peeps, Lenky have all these socks and slippers that I go right there now.
Let's put your foot on one big and pretty. Did not say better.
Alright, this
Alright.
Alright.
See
the peeps. Potato in the ground or so. I tell you. Play. So people saw the scratch here. So I think you do it. Alright, let's see peeps. Me gonna close see it. Alright. So you do it here, peeps. See it there again, people. Potato in the ground. Well clean.
Clean, man. The bottom, man. The time clean.
Well clean. See there? See the people?
It's a clean, man. And I see you find for bait and I man. It's a piece of green. Back out. And then place I can find some nice.
Yeah, potato. How much fun do you think we find yesterday, like?
Oh, carry for about 400 man and pick up about 400 one bag. About 400 man.
400. So today we can't find one. I think it's a bones are coming, you know. Well, it's a joke. Safe Wally. No, so. You know the camera. When I take a picture, I press a white button here. Yeah. You see the white button here?
Yes,
Take the picture with the white button now.
Yeah.
It's a video, man. Let's do it. You see the white button? Press the white button.
Yes, the 7 o'clock.
Go on. Take your picture. See me, Joe. Alright, peeps. Early morning again. See the ground, yeah. You have a look at replay left out tight for repo out tight. And I want the other see a man have a look at replay for night, master. So we have prepared the land now because it drought the hand, so we start get look at rain. I mean, I'm joking in the morning again, we're going to go cross over there. No, I think go. We always the funny I do what we do, you know, man. Ever I do what we do, man, in time and do it. See it, your people. Look on the animal them, so. The drought catchy. See, yeah, we have them row here, we never dig out. See it, your people. We have them row here, so we dig out. So we get some rain on it now, so the ground soft. See the drought? I jolt bun up the slip them in the people, see the good potato slip. I jolt bunny up in the master, dry up. To the place and dry. So you couldn't plan and I jolt there some outside everything that bun up in the earth. So we're there people, we're there going to do a thing. Early morning. Joke go for the other bucket man. Early morning. See big boy there. Big boy. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. You alright, sir? You alright, sir? There, man.
Take him a walk. You see them do?
Boy.
Post. Oh, me see it. What them for? Internet? What them for waves? Internet?
Yep, no.
Interesting.
Go. Ooh. What you call it? What you call it, John John? Ooh. See, go. Yes, today, call them all right. I keep walking, I teach them. Alright. Here they go. Here the other one. Go.
John, what the cow says? Papa? Janard? So why is the cow stretch so far and you have grass right beside him there so?
So cows there, so bull cows there.
A farming him do upon a piece of land there also? Farming him do over across there so?
The one over there, so?
Across. Not straight over here, so over to way.
Yeah, then they plow the land there, so nobody chop them on the chop them down.
Oh.
better land a plow now, I bet it can go on sour down. To do what they want to do. Yeah, the cow them alright, we don't go for it, but the cow them alright. Tomorrow morning again for them get water. And we're going back up. Yeah, peeps, I got through on woodland. Great through on woodland, ja peeps. I tell you. I look at Chuck to go over another land, man, sir. You go feel like we go down and look at shot away here, sir. Tell the people for we are going to the sir. We do everybody for that journey. I fence that out there, sir. Eh? Look where you see wall out there, sir. How? Ticks? Was. I go short some liquid today over here, so we must dead to post truck. I fence that joke. Road there is a joke. Road there, sir. Away. I know all of me head, my curb. Oh, sir. Hell. Huh? I tell the people, see there, we have got through beer bush, beer maca. Up our land for put the cow, but it has to look like I want dead chop, dead hen. You know, look good people, see there? Look. So we have to come out, boss. Well water boat up, long sleeve shirt, boss. So we have you out there. Me a joke as usual, up on the road. Me a joke, boss. Joke like we can't go no further. We don't know how to take left, right, or center. Everywhere we take a beer, maca tree, beer woodland. Eh? This is a level land, man. Hmm? Enough clean up this ain't a joke. We never see a nice level piece so we can say, yeah. Man, that jumping head in a joke. So whenever we clear here, so we can go forward. What to this, sir? Yes, sir, we have to walk clear through this, sir. I tell you, you Yeah, everywhere is a maca tree, maca orange tree, maca this. We are the earth of fight with. Courage.
Mama left here with 3,000 potato. Can't go town. Go sell. You know.
3,000 what?
3,000 weight, 1,300 weight.
So one of the great man who plant potato, yeah. Juicy.
Yeah.
Great man. Show them how you sink your slip, Juicy.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
Show them how you sink your slip.
Sink it so draw the earth on it like that.
Alright, so.
You know what I take out. We two been knowing. A year, 60 a year, maybe I know. You know, we can't have a charge.
So when I plant potato tractor, man, I have to roll the thing properly. Bank and roll it. And just sink in it. Can what we have plant? Uplifter?
Yeah.
See it, peeps. And I play around here, so.
No.
Straight farming. People say you can't take a potato out of the ground and put back potato. What do you say, Joseph? Winston.
Life develop, we have all camera in a potato ground. Plant 1,500 a day, you know, guys.
Tell the world what you can plant a day.
1,500 a day.
Fast.
Yes, and fast car. And we still finding potato too.
Still finding potato. That can go roast.
We can have them with potato pudding. If we're hungry in Jamaica, we are careless.
If we do what?
If we're hungry in Jamaica, we must be careless.
This is great Juicy. Man.
Yeah.
I wonder why I name Juicy is to mix juice too.
Sell out the park. Bodybuilding, nature rise in front and lift a disturbance.
Tell him again.
Bodybuilding, nature rise in front and lift a disturbance.
Oh my gosh. That is Juicy.
Yeah. Juicy Brown.
Juicy
Because
Brown.
I'm one Juicy Brown in Manchester.
This is Juicy Brown from Richmond, Bellytaro.
Yes. I have one in Valley. One day I send one girl, tell one girl if you take taxi, come on my yard, I don't have Juicy yard, the taxi man can go. The other Juicy. He said, no, enough for me, man, that.
Yeah, peeps. Juicy, I want more sleep, man.
Yeah, we can have to sleep away.
Hey, Kino, say hi to the world, Kino. Who is this, Randy?
Yeah, man.
Randy tuning to the world today. How you doing, guys?
Doing good, man.
Doing good. Kino, how you doing? What you buying, Kino?
Oh, thank you, bro.
So you only buy 2 peanut, bro.
Yeah,
You only buy 2 peanut, they can link me at my work. Paul, you know me always buy my peanut, Paul. I'm a good customer, don't you?
Yeah.
I pay hard my bills.
Yes. And that boy didn't pay bills. He might have to pay.
Oh, Tuffy.
I finished with red house, man.
See people, one of the best peanut men in Manchester. His name is Paul. They up on the work, man, song. We do it fast, how we do it. You know what I think, go? So we are going to do it. So Randy, what's up, man? How you feel? How you feel about the journey yesterday?
Everything good, you know.
Is everything good? How you feel, man?
Everything good, you know.
You put your water boots on?
Yeah, man.
You wash it? You know you're gonna stink? You already says Moses. You have the great stick in the V.